We are making French toast.
So what do you have here?
We have vanilla extract, some seasoning, milk, bread, egg that we're gonna dip in.
Oh, okay. Good. So you start combining the ingredients, bring a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit. Put a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Good. Open the vanilla extract. A little bit. A little bit more. Okay, that's okay. Cover. Pour the milk. No, just pour it. Pour half of it. Okay, that's enough. Mix together like a person. Good. Okay. So that is it. Our pan is there.
So
Spray. Spray it around. Around. Okay.
I'm really jealous.
Do it as if you mean it. Okay, that's enough.
Daddy.
Good.
Yay! But I think it's still coming out.
Yeah.
When should we flip it over?
You can actually make another one.
Okay. Get it.
That's good. 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 Look at that. Good. Good. Wow, it looks so delicious, right? Okay, we have to eat. Okay, let's one more bread.
So this is the last bread, actually.
Okay. Good. Take a spoon. Good.
Wow, our French toast is ready.
So we're gonna break more eggs.
Yeah, for
Spread more egg. Careful.
Okay, it's correct. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
It's a tie that on me. Perfect. Wash your hand, girl. Stop now.
Once again, we're gonna put a little bit of garlic salt, the milk,
Put more of it. Is okay. Okay.
and stir.
Whisk. Put a little bit of pressure on it.
We're gonna add a little bit of green peas in it to make it extra healthy.
Good. Let's pause it in a second. Okay. And stay now. Just start to get that. Hold it well.
Our scrambled eggs are almost ready. Wow. Our plan did really work out. Okay. Our scrambled eggs are ready.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yum yum. Food is ready. Come and join me.